The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2013 Porsche Cayenne with a bare roof, and we've just installed the Yakima LockNLoad onto the Thule WingBar Clamp roof rack system. So if you want to see a video of just the base roof rack without the platform, we'll link to that in the description below. But this is a pretty cool setup. Thought we'd share it with you. So this is the Yakima LockNLoad platform. This is the 60 inches long by 54 inch wide platform, attached with the universal clamps to the Thule WingBar roof rack system. And that roof rack happens to be the 53 inch bar. With the end caps, it does bump it out, so it's a little bit wider than the platform itself, but overall a great fit. So this is a really great option for attaching all sorts of different cargo. So if you want to do like fuel cans or spare tires, lights, cargo, like the hard shell cargo boxes, this is a great option to go with, and looks pretty cool. So this is just a quick walk around. If you want to read up more details on that, click the link in the description below. We'll probably go ahead and put this together as a complete bundle. So if you want to purchase this, we'll make it easy, just a couple clicks, and you'll be able to buy this whole deal. So that's it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.